The Motorola RAZR is about to get its biggest competitor, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Which is gonna be a better device, and which one should you buy? I am Keno, and this is Encore Tech. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future video. Let's start with the design. Unlike the Galaxy Fold, the Moto RAZR and the Galaxy Z Flip both fold in the same way. The Galaxy Fold is more of a folding tablet, while these two are more like folding phones. That's about the only thing they have in common. The Motorola uses a plastic body, except the upper back that's made of glass, while the Z Flip uses the same metal and glass body that Samsung used on the Galaxy Fold. I'm just gonna say it now. The Z Flip will most definitely have the more premium feel in the hand. On the back, Motorola has decided to go with a single camera setup, while the Z Flip uses a dual camera setup. And surprisingly, it retains the dual aperture feature that Samsung has killed off on the Galaxy S20 series. On the front, Motorola uses a plastic OLED display, which was standard for all first-gen foldable phones. But the Galaxy Z Flip is like the second-gen foldable phone from Samsung, and it uses ultra-thin glass as opposed to plastic. And that's definitely more durable than plastic. So it's safe to say the Galaxy Z Flip has a tougher screen than the Moto RAZR. Also, when looking at the design, Samsung has protected the screen from particles and dirt better than Motorola. I made a video talking about the flaws of the Moto RAZR. I'll put a link to it in the description below. On the inside, the Z Flip also takes the win, having 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, compared to 6GB and 128GB on the Moto RAZR. The Z Flip also uses a better processor, Snapdragon 855 compared to Snapdragon 710 on the Moto RAZR. It also has a bigger battery, 3300 compared to 2560. Now, about what makes foldable phones possible. The hinge. The Galaxy Fold had a really sturdy hinge mechanism, and it's only natural that the next foldable phone from Samsung should have at least as good a hinge as the Galaxy Fold. So it's safe to assume that the hinge on the Z Flip is really strong, but the same cannot be said for the Motorola. I really wish it wasn't the case, but the hinge on this device doesn't seem very sturdy. And now for the most important of all, the price. They're gonna be about the same price point, with about $100 difference. And that's gonna be an easy win for the Galaxy Z Flip. It's just an overall better device. Let me know what you think about these devices in the comment section below. Which would you pick and why? Like if you enjoyed the video, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. My name is Keno, and this is Encore Tech signing out.